In this chapter, I am giving you expo questions from chapter 3 of LEKKI Headmaster. You know this book has about 12 chapters, and we are doing chapter by chapter review, chapter by chapter expo questions that could come out from this book. This book is compulsory. You cannot pray it away. It's already the book, the official novel that JAMB brought out for this year. So as a way to prepare you, we are reviewing and exposing questions that could come out from it. Remember that in our channel Noble Tutorials, nobody is permitted to score below 300 in this JAMB. All of you writing JAMB, following Noble Tutorials, the target, your goal should be to score 300 and above in JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. Claim it in the comment section. Type "I claim it" and type the score you are targeting, right? But then claiming it is not enough. We have been serious. I've been dropping videos for you on use of English, on LEKKI Headmaster, on mathematics, on biology, on economics, and several other subjects, ensuring that you will write this JAMB and smash it once. No stories, no taking corners, no stories. So in this very video, let us focus on questions that we are expecting JAMB to ask you from chapter 3 of LEKKI Headmaster. If you watch this video also from beginning to the end, I'm going to know that you are serious, and because of that, I will give you a gift of JAMB past question, free JAMB past questions on the 4 subjects we'll be writing, and free JAMB past questions on the 4 free JAMB syllabus on the subjects we'll be writing too. Question number 1 from chapter 3. What was the significance of the open days at Stardom schools? Remember in chapter 3, there was this issue of open day in the school, okay? The school normally observe open day. A, it was a day for students to take extra lessons. B, it was a day set aside for writing competitions. C, it was an open day where parents got updates on their children's academic performance. C, D, it was the day teachers were given awards for their work. The answer is C. It was a day, open day. It was an open day where parents got updates on their children's academic performance. Parents could actually come into the school, observe how the teachers, observe how classes are going on, observe everything. Okay, 2. How did some parents show appreciation to teachers on open days? This is actually open days. A, they sent their children to school with extra money. B, they gave gifts in cash and kind. C, they provided free lunches for teachers. D, they took teachers out for a special dinner. The answer is B. I want you to be noting these questions and the answer we are giving to them, because there are questions and answers that will come out in the hall. What family was well known for giving generous gifts to the school? A, the Bavi family. B, the Oba family. C, the N.H.S family. D, the Gloss family. Is the Bavi family. Okay, that is why you need to read chapter 3 of this book so that you can confirm the question and the answers we are giving. If you cannot read it, we have read it for you. Just get the video. There is a video we did where we read and reviewed chapter 3. If you need me to give you the link to that video, let me know. If you want the link to all the videos we have done on LEKKI Headmaster, all the videos we have done on the expo questions from that book, all the videos we have done on reading and review of that book, all the videos we have done on how to get the book. If you want me to give you link to all the videos I'll give it to you free. Let me know. Why did many teachers secretly dislike open days? Why did many teachers secretly dislike open days? A, they were required to dress in special uniform. B, they had to work longer hours. C, parents often came with many complaints. D, they were not allowed to collect gifts from parents. The answer is C. Parents too, they complain. Parents will be complaining up and down. Okay, why was Mr. Fafore, the English teacher, suddenly summoned to the MD's office? You remember the funny event that happened that day about as well as you need to read that chapter anyway, and you need to watch the video we did on specifically on that chapter. If you need it, let me know. Why was Mr. Fafere, the English teacher, suddenly summoned to the MD's office? A. He was caught altering student grades. D. B. Parents accused him of incompetence in teaching English. C. He was suspected of stealing school funds. D. He was late to school on open day. The answer is B. Parents, one parent like that suspected him of being incompetent. By the way, the parents was wrong. What was the mistake that led to Mr. Fofere's immediate dismissal? Why was he sacked? A. He was caught using his students to run personal errands. B. He gave students an incorrect grammar rule in class. C. He was involved in a fight with a student's parent. D. He failed to mark his student's assignment. The answer is B. He gave students an incorrect grammar rule in class. He gave students an incorrect grammar rule in class. Okay, I hope you are following. Are you following me? Are you following me? What grammatical error led to the parent? What grammatical error did the parent accuse Mr. Fafore of making? Remember, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions as a way of appreciating your seriousness. That's if you watch from beginning to the end. Okay? Remember, we have done several other videos. If you need me to give you the link, I can also give them to you so that you keep reading and preparing. Don't go and sleep. You can play around. You can party around after your exam. But right now is the time for preparation, so no playing. What grammatical error did the parent accuse Mr. Fafere of making? A. You are a good student. B. Ade as well as Jide comes early. Ade as well as Jide comes early. She don't have a pen. The boys are playing outside. The answer is B. Ade as well as Jide. It was a funny experience. Okay. Why did the MD's reaction to Mr. Fofere's mistake turn out to be embarrassing? Why was it embarrassing? The way Mrs. Ibidon-Gloss sacked the Mr. Fofere. A. She later realized that she had mistaken the grammar. She later realized that she had misunderstood the grammar rule. B. The student protested against the teacher's dismissal. C. The MD was recorded making the same mistake herself. D. The teacher had resigned before she could fire him. The answer is A. She actually realized that she had misunderstood the grammar rule. Are you with me? How was it proven that Mr. Fofere was actually correct? The principal checked a grammar book in front of everyone. B. The MD researched for the grammar rule online and found she was wrong. C. The English teacher provided a proven document from the Minister of Education. D. The students stood up to defend their teacher. The answer is B. The MD searched the grammar rule online and found she was wrong. I hope you learned it too. How did the MD try to cover up her mistake after realizing Mr. Fafure was right? A. She quickly apologized and gave him a promotion. B. She asked all teachers to check their phones for confirmation and act as if nothing happened. C. She increased his salary to avoid bad publicity. D. She asked him to keep quiet about the situation in exchange for compensation. The answer is B. The answer is what? B. I want you to read that B. In the next video, we will continue with expo questions from chapter number 4. But before then, since you have watched this to this point, what I need you to do is like this video. For me, if you want to receive the free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllables, and other materials you might need, what you need to do is like this video, share this video. Just click on share on YouTube, then click on share, copy the link and share it on all the WhatsApp platform you belong to, like on YouTube, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Share it on all the platforms where other JAMB candidates, WhatsApp groups where other JAMB candidates are, so that they can also benefit. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, click on subscribe on our YouTube channel. You will see, click on it, then turn on notification bell so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Then once you have done that and subscribe, come under the comment of this particular video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send you all the materials I promise you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch. Click on it now.